Welcome, EXXTRAness. We are here to spice up your life. We do everything twice as nice, twice as extra. So hit, smack, or click that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that damn bell. Hi guys, it's me here, Blia. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Today I'm going to show you guys one step that you should not skip when you're doing your eyebrow routine. And why I do this is because it makes my eyebrows last all day. And what I mean by that is homegirl here is very oily, and sometimes I would get creases, oils, patches. But when I do this one step, my eyebrows look bomb AF the whole day. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Thanks. So if you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows. I can definitely show you guys the products that I used. I didn't film myself doing my eyebrow routine, but I can definitely do that if you guys are interested. So my first step that I do is I use an eyelid primer on my eyebrows. That might sound a little crazy, but it's just kind of like, a face primer. And so I use the Morphe brand. I absolutely love this brand. It is very affordable and it does the job. The next product that I use is by E.L.F. It is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I will definitely link all of the products below on the comment. I just actually use this to trace kind of like the shape that I want, and then I actually use eyeshadow. So the color that I use is from the Sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Please excuse my palette's a little dirty. But the one that I use is the Dysopian, I believe, Dysopian color. It's this color here. As you can see, I've abused and used it already. So that is what I use to shade it in. This is the brush that I use to do my eyebrows. All right, so now that we got that over with, I'm going to show you guys my last step that I do on my eyebrows. This is something that you do not want to skip if you're oily like me. And so I have my little handy dandy mini makeup sponge that I got from, I believe is Real Techniques. You can use any baking powder that you have on hand. The one that I'm using is the Mercier. I believe the color is just in translucent. So go ahead and just pour a little bit into the lid like so. You don't need too much, you just need a little bit. And then you're going to make sure that your sponge is wet, and you're just gonna pat a little bit. And so what I do is I just go right over my eyebrows. Like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eyebrow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup look. As you can tell, homegirl is not done here. All right, I'm gonna let this set for a little bit. Once I do that, sorry, not once I do that. Once I'm finished with my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and just brush it off. All right, thank you guys, and I will show you guys the final look in a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my final look. I already brushed off the excess of the Mercier powder, put on my lashes, and I'm ready to go. And as always, guys, stay extra. Bye.